Hi, if you're here, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. So, today's video, I am questioning myself, as far as traveling, if it was a bad idea, with all of the spikes in the virus cases getting higher again with the new variants. And, we aren't required to wear masks. But when I fly, I do like to wear masks. I just haven't got around to getting more masks, and, people are coughing. I have my little theories about why people start coughing at the same time on a plane. Anyways, I've been traveling a lot lately, and I just got back from the latest trip that I've taken, and I don't know if I should regret it. But I'm just hoping that because I am, kind of on like a vegan diet, and sometimes your body going through detox will sometimes have flu-like symptoms. So I'm hoping that my symptoms are that. I don't know. So I'm going to take this at-home kit. I think this will be my first time. I really think I had it when I came back from Montenegro a year ago. I had like a strawberry frosty and a chocolate frosty. I could not taste the difference. I couldn't smell. I was coughing for like 3 weeks. I was living in my van at the time. I was isolated. And I didn't get tested. I should have, because I probably had it. So hopefully I do have some sort of immunity against it and my symptoms will clear up. But hopefully I don't have it. So I'm about to take this and see what the results are. It says at-home result in 15 minutes. So it's 2 tests in here. Just going to take one. I don't know why I get nervous with taking tests. These are the instructions. This is the test. Let's see. It's so much stuff in here. I'm getting anxious. Oh, this is the second one. Okay, so you have 2 swabs. Oh, what else is in here? Sheesh. So much stuff going on. Certificate of conformity. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so if it's 2 of the same things, I'm going to put 1 of each aside. Okay. Don't need this. Let me read the directions first. Prepare materials. Open the package and take out the 19 test pouch. My eyes are so blurry. Maybe my blood pressure is high. I look like death. I try to get myself together. Hopefully my shower made me look a little better, but I look a mess right now. Okay. I don't know if it's this light, but my eyes are really blurry. Normally that means my blood pressure is high. Been coughing for the past couple of days with no energy. I can barely stand. If stored refrigerated, allow test components of the 19 test pouch and pre-filled tube to be equal. Y'all have to forgive me. Like, I'm having like blind spots in my vision. This happened to me before. I don't know what it is. I really need to get it checked out. So basically, you just need to let it get to room temperature. It's already been at room temperature. Okay, so open the package and take out the pouch. All right, let's do that. So this is what you're putting your specimen on. I've never taken one of these. I should have before. I might have taken it. I can't remember. Guess I don't need that. I hope my sneezing bouts don't start, because they be like 5 in a row, back to back. Okay. Let's see if I can find step 2. Oh, my hair is getting on my nerves. Step 2, preparation. I think I kind of washed my hands before I did this. Let me go wash my hands again to be sure. Okay, so I washed my hands. Read the instructions. If I could see, I could read. Open the full pouch and put the test cassette on a flat surface. Okay. I think I got syrup or honey spilled all over this table. I tried to clean it up, but I'm just too tired right now. Okay. Specimen collection. An anterior nasal swab sample can be self-collected by adults. Children 2 through 13 should be tested by an adult. Remove the swab from the package. Do not touch it with your hands or anything else. Up to 3/4 of an inch. Insert the entire soft end Swab into your nostril no more than 3/4 of an inch. Oh, Lord. Okay. 10 times. You all remember back a couple years ago when the fiasco was going down and people would judge you for traveling and everybody just said, oh, you should stay in the house. And they the main ones that get sick. It's not funny, but it's just so ironic that, you know, some people don't even hardly leave out the house and they still catch it, but they're judging you for traveling. Anyways, slowly rotate the swab, gently pressing against the inside of your nostril 10 times for a total of 15 seconds. Get as much nasal discharge as possible on the soft end of the swab. Oh. Use the same swab and repeat the steps in your other nostril. Holy crap. You got to do it on both sides for 15 seconds. Okay. Now we're going to do the other side. This is going to make me sneeze. I hope I put it up there far enough. I feel like I didn't. I hope it's enough on here. Tear off the seal on the top of the collection tube. Yo, I can read. My vision is like blurry right now. Tear off the seal on the top of the collection tube. Okay. Place the swab in the collection tube immediately and stir for 30 seconds. Ooh. Okay. So wait. Place the swab into the collection tube immediately and stir for 30 seconds. I hope I wasn't counting too fast. Rotate the swab at least 5 times while squeezing the tube. Note if the swab not rotated at least 5 times, false negatives can occur. May occur. Remove the swab while squeezing the tube. What? Remove the swab while squeezing the tube. So maybe you're supposed to squeeze it like this at the end and then pull it out. I don't know. Okay. Attach the dropper tip firmly into the tube. Huh? What? Oh my gosh. I don't know what this means. Hold on. What do they mean by this? I overthink everything. Now I'm going to mess up the freaking test. Oh. So you can close this according to the diagram. Is this a little top? Attach the dropper tip firmly into the tube. What do they mean? What do they freaking mean? Maybe it has, okay, it has a little hole right here. Okay, so you're supposed to put 3 drops on there onto the S part. Invert the collection tube with sample, squeeze and add 3 drops to the sample well of the test and set a timer for 15 minutes. Okay, it say do not move it. So let me place it here flat on this table. So 3 drops. I think that was 3. I told you my eyes are really blurry and my blood pressure is probably up. I'll probably go check tomorrow at Walmart. I be really thinking I'm having like occipital strokes because it'd be like waves of color in my vision and it's just like certain parts are very blurry. I don't know if it's stress or what. Okay, let me hurry up and set this timer for 15 minutes. I'm going to take some medicine while I wait for this test. Let me hurry up and set this timer. Okay, so like I said, while I'm waiting for the test to get done, I'm going to take some of this. I'm gonna hit. Oh, I hope I don't start these bouts of sneezes because they come back to back. Whew. And I know this little knot on my head. I think when I'm stressed out or my blood pressure is high, it gets like really big. I hit my head on the table when I was fighting my brother when I was a teenager. And I just started noticing that that area is getting like really swollen at times. I don't know. I feel all jacked up. So this is Tylenol Cold and Flu Severe. I'm getting these waves in my vision. Oh, gosh. I don't know what that is. Occipital stroke, when you have like a stroke in your eyes. And maybe if my blood pressure is too high or something, the little veins in my eyes can't handle my blood pressure. I don't freaking know. Acetaminophen. Wait, acetaminophen. Acetaminophen. I think those were the same medicine in the pills that I was taking, the pain pills. This stuff is leaking. Okay. That tastes like perfume. But I don't know. It says pain reliever, fever reducer, cough suppressant. I've been coughing my behind off. Nasal decongestant and expectorant. I'm guessing that helps you clear out your system. I've been actually clearing it out really well. Do not use. All right, but where's the instructions? They don't tell you how much you're supposed to use. Oh, the instructions are right here. Let's see. I hope I don't drop this. How much are you supposed to take? Minor aches and pains, headache, nasal congestion, help loosen phlegm, and then bronchial secretions, sore throat, or cough. Oh, I hate when the sneezes are stuck. 3 or more alcoholic drinks. Do not take this product. Excuse me. I'm glad it was just one. It might keep going. But how long does it say? Man, my vision, come on. I don't even see where it says you're supposed to, how much you're supposed to take. This was the whole point of me opening this up. You gotta be kidding me. Directions. Do not take more than directed. Milliliters equal. Adults. Take 30 milliliters in the dosing cup. I don't have the dosing cup. Yeah. Okay, so I just have to guesstimate what 30 milliliters are. My vision is scaring me. It's like colors and waves. Like, oh my God. Oh, yeah. Well. Ooh, okay. So I have this Alka-Seltzer that she brought me. Daytime severe cold, cough, and flu. So I guess you got to put hot water in here. I haven't used one of these in a while. Pain reliever, nasal decongestant, cough suppressant. It's so weird taking a cough suppressant. I don't know if you ever took a cough suppressant and it's like you can feel that your body wants to cough, but something is stopping it. It's so weird. Minor aches and pains, headache, cough, nasal and sinus congestion, sore throat, temporarily reduces fever. Oh my gosh, am I having an occipital stroke? Sore throat warning. If sore throat is severe, persists for more than 2 days, is accompanied or followed by fever, headache, rash, nausea, or vomiting, consult a doctor promptly. You know, my vision is like really getting to me. This is so scary. I want to take this. Let's see. The only thing I've been taking is like the like 1 or 2 Tylenol at a time. And this vision just started. I don't know if it's because I'm like reading stuff. and it was too much of a strain on my eyes. I don't know. But how do you do this? This is just warm water. It's been so long since I've used one of these. Do not take more than the recommended dose. Take every 4 hours. Do not exceed 5 packets in 24 hours or as directed by a doctor. Adults and children 12 years and over. Dissolve contents of 1 packet in 8 ounces of hot water. Sip while hot. Consume the entire drink within 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so while I'm waiting on that to finish, I'm going to make me some hot water and sip this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my little water. Where is my medicine? I don't know what I did with my pack of medicine. I see some little line on a test, and I'm scared. I'm just going to wait. I think I have about less than a minute left. Let me see where my medicine is, my Alka-Seltzer. Okay. This looks a little dirty, so yeah, I don't know. Smells pretty good. Oh, my alarm just went off. I thought it was going to make a noise. I'm scared to check and see what the results mean. So I'm just going to pour this in here real quick and then I'll check it. Dissolve contents of packet in 8 ounces of hot water. Hope this is 8 ounces. Might be more, I don't know. I'm gonna go get me a spoon and then check my results. I'll be right back. I'm low on storage, of course. So I need to hurry up and finish this video. It sucks. I actually have this little gadget right here that I just got for Christmas. It just came in the mail. It's a storage device. I know the companies don't like it, but I got it while it's still available. Unfortunately, I wouldn't be able to use it now because I need to upload a couple of videos. Some videos I'm probably not going to upload because it's no point. They're not going to get monetized. And anyway, just like my last video. Anyways, let's see. How do I read this? I need to hurry up before my phone cuts off because of storage issues. Okay, how do you read this? I'm scared to see what that means. I'm going to have a panic attack. Negative, positive. Okay, so I think if you have only one line appears in Control C area or no line appears in the Test T area, it's negative. But why do they have 2 lines? Oh, I guess if you have any variations of 2 lines, then it's positive. So I only got 1 line. So I don't have that monster. I gotta play it safe from now on, even more safe. I'm going to order me some. Okay, so my phone cut off right when I finished my last word or the last sentence. I'm just going to drink this and just try to get better. And I don't know. Hopefully my skin will get better. I don't know if everything is from my vegan diet. My skin has been horrible, super dry. And it makes my hyperpigmentation gets even worse because of like all the dry spots, and my skin is super sensitive. I can't put a lot on there. Anyways, don't want to go off on a tangent, but I'm going to drink my Alka-Seltzer. I really wish it was tea. I'm going to chug this down as much as I can, or as quickly as I can without burning my mouth, so that I can drink some tea. So anyways, this has been me taking my first at-home C19 test. I might have taken one before. But anyways, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Bye.